Ano ang unang tanong?
Ito, mami, ang unang tanong po. If you would choose to relive ba yun? If you would choose to relive one day, which one would you choose?
I will choose the best. Ayun ko, nakalimutan ko. Wait, erase. Time to relive again. I will choose to giving birth to my daughters, Piel and Francine.
Wow!
O, teka lang ha. Antang na ako dito.
May second question po ako. To what extent do you see your parents in me? Like, paano nyo po nakikita si inay o si lolo sa akin po? Pati ganun din po kay ate.
I see my parents, to Piel and Francine, as loving and a very responsible person. The way you smile, I can see it the same as inay. Tapos yung
Kay tatay po.
kay tatay naman, yun yung ay strong person.
Strong person. Strong-willed po, gano'n.
Oo. May determination and kayang gawin lahat for the family.
Wow. Si ate po, paano po yung kay ate?
Kay ate naman,
Paano nyo po nakikita si inay?
supported si inay. There are times kung kinakailangan umiyak, iiyak. And kung tatawa, masaya, you can mapapakita ni Ate Piel. And napaka-responsible, committed, and talagang yung kanyang focus para sa life journey niya in the future ay nakaset ang kanyang goal.
Kay tatay lang po, paano nyo po nakikita si tatay?
Si tatay kay Ate Piel, ay yung very loving person. Inalagaan niya si inay, sinalagaan niya ako, inalagaan si Kapsi, si daddy, and a very loving person.
Okay po. Thank you! What is one thing you wish you have less stressed about?
I hope that I will be less stressed on my work kasi as PSDS, committed and dedicated tayo sa trabaho, pero sana I'll give more time sa family, and yung pag-iisip ng mga problema sa work, sana malas yun.
Wow. Pero as ano po, like as Momsy Faith, as Faith, Fatima.
As mom si Faith, sana ay yung pag-iisip ng future, sana ay ma-focus ko na God will provide kung ano talaga ang sa future, kasi sometimes nag-overthinking tayo na what if ganito na sometimes hindi pala problema, pero it becomes a problem kasi iniisip natin problema.
What was the small moment that in hindsight feels meaningful and why?
Receiving a message sa video call from my loved ones, Piel, Francine, Boy, and other people. It's a little thing, but it means a lot since nagkakaroon ng communication, kumustahan, and doon sa kumustahan yun, kaunting kumusta, you feel like love, you feel warm, you feel natural. You're natural.
Tanungin ko na kayo ng
Wow.
last question.
Yung last question. Alam nga. Okay.
What are you most proud of in life?
I'm very proud of my daughters since si Francine ay associate in nursing and we're able to pass the NCLEX examination for RN. And I'm so proud of it. And si Piel ay certified public accountant. Then, nasa US sila, working. Tapos, parang I raised them well. And that makes me so proud of them.